to another segment in Generac's award-winning Power Design Pro sizing software. My name is Rick Slavens. I'm a Power Solutions Manager for Generac Industrial Power Systems, and today we're going to be looking at red box analysis, which is a little bit beyond the basic sizing of your generators. So let's dive right in. If you'll notice here, we've got a 100 horsepower motor that's across the line starter, and that's rendering us a 150 kilowatt engine with a 250 kilowatt alternator for our generator. And we want to see if we can use a smaller size engine on this. So we're going to go down and we are going to select the manual mode on the sizing, and then we will change this to 130 kilowatt. Now you'll notice that these red boxes appear. So this is what we call red box analysis. So if you'll remember, these three boxes right here are associated with your engine size, and this box and these two boxes are associated with your alternator size. So I have got some red boxes here. I've got some issues. So the first thing I'm going to try to address is my voltage dip. I'm going to upsize my alternator. So I can upsize my alternator all the way up to 200 kilowatts here. I did reduce my voltage dip, but I did not get it enough. I still have a red box analysis here. So I could go and up my engine size, but that's kind of where I started. So instead, I'm going to go over to my load. So when I look at my load, I have this across the line motor starting. I'm going to change that to a VFD. That should help on my engine size and my alternator size. So I'm leaving that at a 6-pulse rectifier, leaving that as a 6-pulse rectifier right there. So that should add some harmonics. And yes, my engine and my alternator for the voltage dip is fine, but now I have harmonics that have the red box on them. So I am going to have to do something about that. So I'm going to go in and change this 6-pulse rectifier to a 12-pulse rectifier. That should lower my harmonics. So changing that to a 12-pulse rectifier, sure enough, it brings me into range. So now with a VFD 12-pulse rectifier, I can go to 130 kilowatt engine size with a 200 kilowatt alternator size. In fact, let me see if I can even bring that alternator size down. Yes, I can. I can even go down to 130 kilowatt alternator size. So there you have it. That's the basics of red box analysis. If you enjoyed this or found it useful, that you'll go down and hit the like button and also share your comments and questions that you have down there. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of our electrical tool tutorials. I'm Rick Slavens signing out.